Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies for business. First, understand your local food safety regulations and secure any required permits to operate legally. Next, perfect your signature cookie recipe, ensuring consistent quality and taste. Finally, accurately calculate all your costs, including ingredients, packaging, and labor, to set profitable prices for your delicious treats. To ensure success, invest in durable, commercial-grade baking equipment like large mixers and ovens. This will significantly improve your production efficiency and consistency. Always source high-quality ingredients from trusted suppliers to guarantee the best flavor and texture in every cookie. Maintaining a well-organized inventory helps you avoid running out of popular items and keeps your business running smoothly. Standardizing your baking process is crucial for consistent quality, ensuring every cookie meets your high standards. Develop efficient cooling methods to prevent sogginess before packaging. Choose attractive, food-safe packaging that not only protects your cookies during transport, but also enhances their visual appeal. Consider branding elements to make your products memorable and stand out to customers. Building a strong brand identity and an engaging online presence are key to reaching your audience. Use social media platforms and participate in local markets to effectively promote your delicious cookies. Offering samples and running special promotions can attract new customers and encourage repeat business. Remember, excellent customer service builds loyalty and positive word-of-mouth referrals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.